Why sleeping is crucial. Sleep is undoubtedly one of the most essential requirements for the human body to function properly. It plays a very important role in ensuring the wellness of the human body, both physically as well as mentally. In fact, the importance of sleep is clear from the fact that it helps you with maintaining a good lifestyle throughout your entire lifetime. Not only does it help you maintain your physical and mental health, it also helps in maintaining a decent and healthy lifestyle along with ensuring safety from a number of fatal diseases. It is usually said that the mood in which you wake up is largely dependent on the type of sleep you have been in. This, in itself, is proof of the importance of sleep in our lives. While sleeping, our body finally gets its share of rest, and it also gets ample time to rejuvenate from all the wear and tear that it went through during the entire day. The body is in its own working condition when we are sleeping, as this is the time when it supports the healthy functioning of the brain as well as physical attributes of our body. How many times have you been suffering from a headache, and then you slept for some time and found the pain to have vanished? This is the effect that a sound sleep session has on your mind as well as body. Sleep is not only important for grown-up individuals and people who go to work, but it is also very essential for small babies and children in their growing up years as well. In small children, sleep supports the growth as well as development of their minds and bodies, and hence is a non-negotiable activity necessary for all human beings. Sleep aids in the proper functioning of the human brain, and its deficiency can cause several different health issues in people. There are several chronic health issues which arise when the human body is not getting its desired rest and sleep. Lack of sleep affects the way an individual's body works and also affects their entire personal as well as professional life cycles. When we fall asleep, our brain is preparing us for the tasks ahead in the next day, and this is why we are able to think and remember tasks during the entire course of the day while also learning new things. A sound and good night's sleep ensures better learning abilities in human beings and also stimulates the mind to learn extracurricular skills. A person's ability to make decisions, remember things, pay attention, as well as think creatively are all dependent on the amount of sound sleep they are managing to get on a daily basis. There are several behavioral issues also associated with lack of sleep, and this includes becoming a recluse both at home and at workplace. Getting enough sleep is one of the necessities in life, and it helps in making an individual sharp and smart over the span of their lifetime.